What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we have a new project in the garage. As you can see, this thing is smashed and we're gonna go over the damage a little bit and get this thing fixed. I'm hoping this will be a 2-day repair right here. Insurance is paying me 48 hours and I'd like to get it done in 2 days. I think we can do it. We have all of the parts to do this job. So we're gonna get right into it. We're gonna go over the damage, what has to happen, and get this thing in primer today. That way Victor can paint it tomorrow. So as you can see, it got whacked in the side here. This bumper right here is a repair. So we're gonna take this bumper off, strip it down completely, and go ahead and repair that. We're getting a new fender, repairing this door, and then we got some damage right here. As you can see, that quarter needs to be worked out. We need to pull it all out and make it good. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna start in the front here. We're gonna tear down this bumper right here, strip off all the stuff off of it, get it ready to fix. That way once we prime it, it's ready for paint. We don't have to remove anything. Then I'll get this fender off. We'll start working on this door and just pretty much work our way back. So let's go ahead and tear into it and get started. All right, guys, check it out. We got it looking nice and beautiful. Gap is even, perfectly flush on both sides, as you can see. And before anyone comments about these pinholes, the Maxi does make little dents, but they're not actual holes. So don't worry about that. We did have a couple holes over there. And as you can see, I already have the weld over here and I already welded them up. So we're ready for some mud. We're gonna go ahead and mud this, get it ready for primer, and then we'll bolt down this fender for good. And then it'll be ready for paint. All right, guys, so this is just the first coat. There's gonna be another coat, but check this out. The lines are looking beautiful. But check this out. The lines are looking beautiful. Down here, everything looks beautiful. We are going to block it and prime it one more time, but I mean, check this out. It already looks awesome. And I know once we block this down, throw another coat of primer, it's literally gonna be perfect. And that's what we're going for here. So we're gonna wait for this to dry, throw one more coat, and then block that down, and throw one more coat, and then after that, once he paints it, it's gonna look beautiful. All right, look at Victor. He's taping up the Ultima. Check this out, guys. This thing is all prepped. Looks beautiful. Look at the lines. Everything's just awesome. The gap is awesome. The fender fits beautifully. And the hood is open right now, but that gap is also perfect. So he's gonna paint the car first, and then we're gonna get the bumpers prepped, and he'll paint the bumpers. So right now he's gonna get this taped out. We'll get it in the booth, and we'll show you some of the painting process and how to properly do it. I really like how Victor preps his cars. He's very meticulous. As you guys saw, he took a very good time to clean all the jams and everything and clean it real nice. That way we get a super good match. Also right here where I fixed this rocker panel, I went ahead and painted inside there. That way we can hang the fender and the fender will be on for good. And there won't be no primer under there because it's already painted, as you can see. So pretty much like trimming it out, like we trimmed out this fender right here. So we're good to go. The prep work is beautiful. He's about to get it taped up and we'll get this thing in the booth. And I can't wait to see it with clear and how it all turned out. All right, guys, so Victor got the car prepped in the booth. First thing we need to do is go ahead and throw some rocker guard here where I repaired this rocker. As you can see right there, it does have it. So he's gonna do that first. And then next step will be the sealer. And the sealer is there to cover all this up because paint doesn't have the strength to bond multiple surfaces. As you can see, all these and where it's sanded through. So once he seals it, that's kind of like a wet primer and then it's ready for paint. So that's the first thing he's gonna do after he finishes that. And once it's sealed, he can go ahead and start throwing his color down and getting the blend done. We do use blender, and what it does is it wets the whole hood. That way when you throw paint, it doesn't dry off on the edge, but it burns into the old paint and we can blend it out to a good match. So he's gonna go ahead and get started, get this thing done. And man, I can't wait to see it with clear coat on it and see how this repair turned out. Guys, check it out. Victor slicked this thing out. Looks beautiful. Look at that door. The body work. I mean, everything. The body lines. How it goes into the fender and fades out. Everything just turned out perfect. He did a great job painting it. And I gotta say, as you can see, you seen how damaged this was. And everything just looks awesome. Check out the body line. Just matches up very nicely. I'm super happy with these results. Honestly, I can't complain about anything. Couple little piece of trash, but Victor's gonna take care of that. And then this thing will be ready to assemble. That'll be in the next episode, guys. We're gonna do a vlog of our day at the shop and we'll go ahead and reassemble it. So stay tuned for that, guys. But that's gonna be it. We're gonna get out of here. It's getting super late on us. But yeah, I'm super happy with these results, man. That looks absolutely beautiful. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed that little technical repair we did on the door. And the results, as you can see, beautiful. That's what we strive for here. I'm really glad me and Victor are working side by side because we can just put out some immaculate work. And that's what we're trying to do here at North Star Collision. And we just strive to get better every day. So super happy. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to smash that subscribe button. You can follow us on Instagram at motorhead.co. And I'll see you in the next one, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.